Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome to my Pilates Burn series. I have a 10-minute core workout just for you. Let's get started. It's an interval routine that means 15 seconds on each exercise and only 10 minutes rest. We have 10 exercises, 10 minutes. Let's go. We're gonna start with the plank walk in 15 seconds. So for the plank walk, we're gonna start in high plank position. Hands just below your shoulders, body is aligned. And now we're gonna walk back for 4 and walk forward. And then switch your hands. And the other arm go first. Keep your abs engaged. Keep breathing. And drop and rest for a second. Shake your arms if you need. Dynamic plank, once again high plank position. And now transition to down dog and back to high plank. Down dog, high plank position. Focus on your breathing, engage your core. And drop and rest. And stretch for a quick moment. And ready for dolphin plank. So on forearms and down dog position. We're gonna be holding here. 50 seconds hold. Don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Stay with me. And drop and rest. And shake your arms. And high plank is the next one. Okay, and here we go. Okay, after the 5-minute plank challenge, the 30-day 5-minute plank challenge, holding for 50 seconds, it's like a walk in the park. So it's not a big deal. Hold and breathe. Ten more seconds. And drop and rest. Well done. Single leg stretch. Lay on your back, extend the right leg, left knee in. Now we're gonna exhale and switch. Exhale and switch. Don't put too much pressure on your neck. Almost there. And rest for a quick moment. Okay, double leg stretch, knees to the chest. And now, inhale, extend, exhale. Keep your lower back to the mat. Last breath. And rest. And well done. Okay? Plank leg raises. High plank position. And here we go. Leg raise. Leg raise. Almost there. And drop and rest. Okay, we have the Superman. Lay down on your tummy, extend your legs, extend your arms. And now it's inhale up, hold for a second, exhale down. Inhale up and hold, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Lighten your arms, lighten your legs. And rest. Okay. We're gonna finish with the side plank, hip drops, side plank position. And now, hip drops. It's like a small pulse. If you feel pain in your wrists, please do this on your forearms. Okay, keep going. Okay, few seconds left. And rest and quickly switch sides. Oh, this is the hardest one, especially for me. So hard. Here outside. And here we go. Last 50 seconds. Woo! Oh my. I'm not gonna quit. It's hard. It's hot. Keep pushing. Last exercise. Okay, keep going. If you need to adjust yourself, do that, but quickly come back and keep trying, keep pushing. Do your best, finish strong. And drop and rest. Whew. Well done everyone, great, you did fantastic job in my 10-minute core routine. Thank you very much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tell all of your friends and family for this awesome Pilates series, and I can't wait to see you next time. Be good, feel good, and of course, stay active.
His presence don't really come for free. Your paychecks don't mean that much to me.